So Brian, if I've got a car that it's not running quite right, I think it's my engine, I bring it to you. How do you start figuring out what's wrong with my engine? Where do you start?
Great question. So the very first thing is an accurate assessment. Figure out what is going on. Now, when it's an internal engine, without disassembly, you can't get accurate. But when you're good enough to know what happened, what led up to it, kind of what symptoms we're seeing, things we know how to look for, we can make a fairly good assessment on which direction we should go with it.
Now you say when you're good enough to do this, and I know you guys are good enough. How'd you get that mastery of engine?
Well, so what we have that really nobody else has is I grew up in an engine business. My dad had a high-performance engine business, so when I was 14 years old, I started working in there, and then I bought that business in 2003. So literally, I've built custom high-performance engines and done thousands of them. So I have a lot of engine knowledge, and because of that, that's transferred on to my technicians.
Sure.
So we have more engine knowledge and ability than any other repair facility around here by far, because there's only probably 4 or 5 shops that do engine work around us, and none of them have repair shops like mine.
That's really nice to know too, because and I know I've just had experiences in the past where it's like, I know there's been something they haven't quite figured it out. Like it was fixed,
Right.
I brought it home and it was like, it's still not quite, and it had to come back.
Yeah. There's very few technicians out there, believe it or not, percentage-wise, that are well-versed inside of an engine, even stock ones, let alone like what I've done.
Yeah, and those things are changing all the time too. The technology, you know.
They are, and they're complex.
Yeah, and you guys keep up on that. I know.
Yes, we do.
Big time.
Yeah, and there's sometimes that an engine can be fixed,
Yeah.
and we can do that because we were well-versed on them. But there's sometimes, money-wise, it doesn't make sense to fix it, and you replace it. And it could be a used one, it could be a remanufactured, it could be new, depending what's available.
Is in terms of making that decision, does it usually come down to, okay, here's the deal, it would cost this much to repair this?
Yes.
And it's really
Dollars and cents.
So if this happens to you, you can literally, very informed decision whether
Yes.
or not it's much, better to make the investment in a new engine or
Absolutely.
use. And do you help find the engines? if I need
Absolutely.
one? Okay.
Yeah, we do that. And we have a few vendors that we work with that
Okay.
we know they check them out. Whether it's remanufactured or used, we know who to go to and who to stay away from, because it's a big investment. You want it to last.
Sure is. And it's kind of important for a car too. I mean, the engine is the heart of your car.
It is.
It's what makes things go. So
Right.
if you have any problem with yours, get your heart checked out at Weber Automotive.
Yeah.
I think you guys should wear the doctor outfit and all that, and specialist. But Brian Weber, good guy, great automotive shop. Check it out.
Thanks, Randy.